Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we just got in on a local trade, a 2006 Forest River Work and Play. Up front you see it's got two 30 propane tanks, diamond plate rock guard. At the bottom, 4-corner leveling jacks, as you see on the bottom there. Very lightweight, only 7,000 pounds. It's got a nice fiberglass laminated skin, aluminum frame, rooftop AC. Decals are brand new. This unit has sat inside in a barn, one owner, only taken outside when it was used. Looks great, fantastic condition. Nice big awning. Satellite dish up front on top there. Nice aluminum wheels and tires. Let's go back here in the toy hauler room and take a look inside. Here in your toy hauler room you see your jackknife sofa, which will also fold flat to make into a bed, with your dinette table. Those legs will come out, opens, and the jackknife sofa folds up flat, opens up the toy hauler room. Closed off living quarters, the sliding door. Just inside is the dinette booth. The table will also fold down flat, make into a bed. It's got some overhead storage and a light underneath those cabinets. You have your gas electric Dometic refrigerator and freezer. Suburban 3-burner stove top, overhead microwave with some manuals in there. 50/50 dual basin sink here. More overhead cabinets, light underneath. Just inside this door here is your bathroom with your porcelain foot flush stool, sink, and shower. Overhead power vent above the sink and toilet. In the very front of the unit is your queen size mattress with front access here. A little spot for your TV, entertainment center, overhead storage above the bed. Nice big closet space just inside the door, as you can see. And another power vent just above the bed here on the ceiling in the bedroom. This is a great unit. No signs of water damage or pets, no smell, no odors. Also comes with a little stereo system right there. Floors are in great condition, very clean, no soft spots. Again, this is half-ton towable. Let's take another look at the toy hauler room. And the frame here of the toy hauler door is actually a screen which zips up in the middle and on the sides to fasten it. Speakers at the ceiling in the back of the unit. And a roof vent right here above your table. This is a very clean unit. If you have any other questions, please call. Thanks for watching.